How to block YouTube channels in YouTube. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today's video we are going to show you how to stop content, certain content from YouTube channels directly into the YouTube app. So if you're tired of certain channels popping up on your feed and you want to block them, these are the methods you can follow up. So let's just get started. So first, let's just go over to a page. So for example, let's say you have subscribed to the page. So YouTube does not have a direct feature of blocking them, but instead of that, you can follow up this method to get less notified about those about those videos. So let's just get started. First of all, head over to one of the YouTube channels, for example, this one right here. And if you have subscribed to that YouTube channel, what you're going to do is simply tap on unsubscribe. We're going to go ahead and unsubscribe, and you will no longer receive notifications from that particular channel. Other than that, what you're going to do is simply tap on the three dots at the top right corner, and you can find this hide user from my channel section here. So you can go ahead and tap on it, and that basically everything about the channel will be hidden from yours. And that is it. And also don't watch the videos from those channel, and you will be receiving more than less videos from the channel in your feed. So that is it. Those are the simple steps you can follow up in order to get less notified about those YouTube videos and, kind of block them without even blocking them on your YouTube. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you have got any questions or want many tutorials like this, let me know in the comments below. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.